Welcome back to another cruise line, and today we'll be boarding the incredible Oasis of the Seas. The all-new amplified Oasis of the Seas can hold up to 6,000 passengers. It has 24 different dining options. It has a zip line, water slides, and more. A lot of you say we get on board to check it out first. Royal Caribbean Suite. We are in the suite lounge about to board. Very soon.
Mom. Dad said no, you gotta wait.
The wonderful Oasis of the Seas. We weren't even here, we were here 4 months ago, and we're back here again to board the Oasis of the Seas. Look at that! Here it is! Let's go. Oasis of the Seas. Oasis of the Seas. Okay. 3, 2, 1. And on board the Oasis of the Seas. Oh my God.
1, 2, 3.
Done with our muster station, and I think we're headed to the boardwalk. So we're just walking up the stairs, going to deck 17 to go to Coastal Kitchen. I'll see you there. So we're here at deck 17. Look at that. We got Central Park and then the pool deck. This is Coastal Kitchen. What? Coastal Kitchen. This is Coastal Kitchen. Get a view. All that. Over there to the bar. Look at this view too. Ooh! Splash right there. Look at this. This is amazing. We're going to the Windjammer right now to eat. This is the ship mat. Look how huge this is. All the doors.
Welcome aboard! Welcome to Windjammer. Washy.
What a view. Okay, let's get some food. I got salad. Soup. I'm gonna get a burger. I'm not getting a burger. Pickle.
Mola.
Your station on the digital wayfinder screen, the back of your statement door, and in large print on your fast cars. For children between 3 and...
So we just finished lunch and look at that Central Park. We got the slides, pool, Central Park. So we're room 8236. When you walk in, we have a junior balcony. Okay, for now the big balcony of the junior balcony. Gosh, this is it's hard. And when we're here on the balcony, this thing is huge. So we got 2 chairs and a table, 2 loungers, big balcony. Can't even fit in my camera. And then here, a nice little view of the sea and the room. It's pretty nice. It's very big too. So we just got done with the flow rider, and as you probably saw, we went to our room, junior balcony, room 8236, and then now I think we're gonna hit the slides, like the water slides, and then we're gonna go to the pool, come back to the room, shower up, and then probably go to dinner. So that's probably the plan for, no, after we go, we're probably gonna sail away too. So that's the plan for today. So we just got done with the water slides and the pool, and now I'm gonna shower up, and then we're gonna explore the ship and then head to dinner. And there goes Carnival. Carnival's new ship. Carnival celebration. They're yelling for us because we're the 4th biggest ship in the world. I think a water park, I think was better. Hi, Carnival. Why didn't they do the horn? Hi, Carnival. So I just finished showering and I came outside to see a Carnival Spirit. It's a very small ship, probably compared to one of the smaller royal ships. I think it's like 800, 500 feet. Right there is their water park. Front of the ship. Carnival Spirit. I don't think any other ships are leaving at the moment. We might leave soon, but there's Carnival celebration. We just came back from this thingy, I don't know, and came back to our room, and we're about to head to dinner. You can see Carnival Spirit in the distance, and this is us just sailing away from Miami. It's kind of windy, yeah, just see. So we're at dinner. This is what the menu looks like. It's welcome tonight. Chef recommendations, starters, and courses, and desserts. So I think for the starters, we're gonna get the chilled shrimp cocktail, escargot, crispy crab cake, and then for the main courses, I'm gonna get the slow roasted crab rib. And for dessert, I'll get the key lime pie. We're getting a lot today. Just for my first entrees. I meant appetizers. I got escargot. So I got my second appetizer. I got
The other
crab cake. And it's really nice.
I got the crab cake.
And
They said I can't.
so for my third final appetizer, I have shrimp cocktail.
Can you give me a butter?
It's very good.
Mom, can you take a picture?
Entree,
She's eating. She's hungry.
some mashed potatoes, and some veg. And last but not least, the key lime. Let me dig into this.
Not here. Do you want that?
No,
So we just finished dinner and we're going on the bus.
What time's it open? Let's see.
So apparently it's closed. I'll do tomorrow though, probably. The flow rider's closed, everything's closed. So we're just gonna hang around. So instead of doing the best, we decided to play mini golf. So I'm in the lead. And I got pretty lucky. I got a hole-in-one over there. And we gotta go through these things. It's pretty fun. I'm in the lead, so we'll see what happens. I'm playing mini golf. First time on Super Practice Cruise. I'm gonna check this out. Oh, can you see that's like a butterfly thing? Yeah, here we go. On that side is where our room is. Is that pretty? This is where the bar goes, I think. Menu looks like. We're heading to play chess. We just played mini golf and some soccer. So this is a little bridge and that looks up into Central Park. So we are gonna play chess. Good luck.
Yours is lighter.
Just kidding. Why? What does it look at? So we just finished laser tag. It was really fun. Second on my team, and my team won the Yeti race. That was really fun. I think it's kind of good. My head was Toronto's. That's it. Day one of the races at the seats. Really good. I don't know why my camera's so dark, but this is something we're heading to snorkel. In the next vlog, we'll be docked in Coco Cay, Royal Caribbean's private island. We'll be doing some snorkeling before we get back to the ship.